Today at PacificBoatBrokers.com, we're going to have a look at GM Venture, a 42-foot steel-hulled coastal and harbor tug. GM Venture, currently located on mid-Vancouver Island, was built in 1960 by Allied shipyards to the dimensions of 42 feet by 15 feet 7 inches, with drafts of 9 foot 6 inches forward and 13 foot 6 inches aft. In 2014, the tug underwent a major rebuild, which included from hull, engines, electronics, up the mast, and everything in between. GM Venture is as close to being new again as this category of vessel can be. Some of this vessel's highlights include excellent stability, tight turning radius, it turns nearly in its own length, strong pulling. The vessel is neat and tidy and has had a high degree of maintenance, which will let it be around for decades to come. There's awesome lighting for night work, and it also provides excellent visibility from inside. Plus, there's a full control station topside. On the deck, there's a Luller 50-pound anchor on a 40-foot half-inch chain. That's a Swan tow winch. The dry exhaust is 2014. All through hulls, doors, and hatches are from 2014. Electronics include a full complement of Furuno radar and sounders. There's 4 VHF radios equipped with distress, a Horizon GPS, satellite compass, and a very good array of flood lighting. Looking at the accommodations, there's 2 bunks and a settee. The galley includes an electric 2-burner stove and oven, fridge, and stainless steel sink. There's also satellite stereo and TV. There's fresh water capacity of 400 gallons. There's also a head and shower. GM Venture is powered by a 2014 600 horsepower Cat C18B 6-cylinder diesel engine with 4,500 hours. There are 4 fuel tanks for a total of 3,500 gallons. The reduction gear is a 2014 Twin Disc 522. There's a 2014 Isuzu 10 kilowatt generator. That's just a highlight of the features of this superb tugboat. There's much more to find out about GM Venture. Contact Harry Mose for more information and check out our website, PacificBoatBrokers.com, for more industrial tugboats for sale like this one.